Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change camera Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to change camera Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. 4. To change camera. Just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Go to Devices. This is already in the Devices menu. And there are several menu options. Scroll down. Now here several menu options will appear. Tap the icon on the right of the video menu. Now here several camera options will appear that are active on your computer. Select the camera you want to use. So that's it, tutorial how to change camera Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.